front threatening the south, weather fronts pushing down into the north, in between quite a bit of dry, bright, warm weather to come. But over the next few days, front after front after front will push eastward for another 24 hours or so as well. Front after front moving eastwards over the northern parts of Britain, keeping unsettled weather going there. Plenty of lines over the north of Britain as well, so much more windy up there than it has been and it is now as well. Whilst this ridge of high pressure keeps mainly dry, warm weather going over the southern parts of Britain until Sunday. Then cooler weather gradually spreads from the north. This weather front here will gradually spread southwards across the country, reaching Wimbledon by the end of the afternoon. But by then we think a very weak feature indeed, so Wimbledon could well end up with a completely dry fortnight with just a little bit of luck. A lot of sunshine coming along behind that with sunshine and showers. At the moment we can see two separate areas of rain, one coming southwards over southern Scotland and the far north of England. Another one, can you see it on the edge of the picture, just coming down towards the Hebrides to keep the unsettled weather going there. But it's a fine evening at the moment in eastern Scotland, and it's a fine evening too over most of England and Wales as well, and quite warm too in many eastern districts. And then tonight, well, a lot of dry weather in central and eastern areas, a lot of cloud too, and there will be rain at times over Scotland and Northern Ireland, especially in the north and the west, and later some drizzle getting into western parts of England and Wales as well, but staying dry and cloudy over many central and eastern parts of Britain. Quite misty too at times in the west here, on the hills particularly, but also in some parts of the southeast as well. A very, very mild night, in fact sticky, thoroughly uncomfortable, 14 Celsius in the south. Tomorrow starting off cloudy almost everywhere, perhaps bright in the far southeast of England, but during the day the clouds thinning out over central and eastern parts of England and Wales to give, yes, rather more clouds than we've had, but sunshine at times as well. It'll become brighter too over many parts of Northern Ireland and Scotland, especially central and eastern areas, in the afternoon, but some rain and drizzle continuing in the north and the west. More wind than we've had for some time as well. It's been breezy up in the north anyway, but it'll be even windier tomorrow with strong and gusty wind at times up there, and a bit of a definite westerly breeze in the south. Temperatures, as they have been today, so quite cool in the far northwest, but warming up as you come southwards and eastwards, 19, 20 Celsius. Inland, in the south, 23 to 25 degrees Celsius. Then a band of weakening rain coming southwards across the country,